Welcome everyone from Annapurna Base Camp.
Shall we not go out?
Yeah, let's go there. Yeah, let's go there. So just before it was all cloudy over here. This mountain were all covered with clouds. And yeah, okay.
Yeah.
I'm here with Saran brother. So how are you feeling it?
Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Like, who would know that behind all the rains is such beauty, man?
Yeah, it just rained for a while and now you see this weather, beautiful weather.
Oh my god.
So we are just heading to a viewpoint. Still, this mountain is covered with clouds, you see. So this was the same situation over here earlier. You see that? That's Annapurna 1, 10th highest peak in the world, 8,091 meter. There is a rainbow. Oh yeah, over there. See, that's Mount Fishtail, 6,993 meter. Hugely over here. This is going to be another raw footage for you guys. Hope you love it. That's Fishtail.
This is amazing, isn't it? Just look at that. Wow. It's fantastic. We should climb that sort of like edge.
Yeah, definitely we'll go there.
Yeah.
Let's go. Yeah, yeah, you can. You haven't been there, no? No? Okay, you'll just see how it is, from there. I just went there before.
Electrolytes in
Go ahead. Be careful.
Hey, hello, how's it going? Hi.
Hey.
Right? Yeah, yes.
Okay. This is it.
Oh my lord. Just look at everything.
Huh?
This is amazing.
Would you like to say anything?
Yes, absolutely. Guys, like and subscribe. It is Shibu the mountain goat. Shibu the slippered mountain goat. On Instagram, let me just Actually, just let me just show you for 1 second.
For me?
Yeah, just
we do this.
Just for this. And he actually
Oh, okay.
did all the hike in these slippies.
Okay. So, brother, say something now.
That's so beautiful, Shibu. Thank you so much for getting me over here, man. Don't think it would have been possible without you otherwise.
We're expecting this kind of view, like where thinking like something you would see something like
No,
this?
absolutely not.
Because
I've
I
heard
think
so much about it. I've seen reels on Instagram. I've seen so many videos on YouTube about this, but then being here physically is something else. I mean, there's no words that can describe the
Definitely.
feeling right now.
Yeah,
So
and
amazing.
at the same time, like since 2 days, I think, right? We were like weather was not in our favor,
Yeah.
and then we got to see this view. Yeah, tomorrow morning. Be careful, guys. So tomorrow morning, hopefully,
Just
we'll.
like the way I touched snow today first time, I would want you to see the ocean for the first time this year.
Thank you. Hopefully, I'll fulfill that soon. Okay.
I'm gonna go to that super flat
Edge. Okay.
and I'm gonna shoot a couple of photos.
Okay.
This looks phenomenal. I mean, it's it's even better that the girls are there.
Yeah,
Because then
from
it
there.
gives you a bit of a perspective of how huge it is. So we are at 4,000 meters, and
Yeah.
this is another 3,000.
Th- no, this is. Oh yeah, another 4,000. Yeah.
Another 4,000.
Right.
Wow, my God.
Like,
And I think you guys know that this Annapurna 1. So this is also known as a killer mountain. Killer mountain, you know.
Yes.
Even the tough climbers, they think this mountain is tough to climb, you know.
and apparently half of them died.
So it's a exclusive video from Annapurna Base Camp. Right. Let's go there and we'll have a couple of pictures.
I really feel like real. Yeah, I need to drink. Yeah, drink.
Yeah.
Careful.
Ow.
I'm just walking around this viewpoint in Annapurna Base Camp. I hope you are loving this video. And that's the mighty Annapurna. Oh yeah. Oh. Yeah. This is absolutely amazing. And that's the lodges. Sorry. Those are the lodges in Annapurna Base Camp. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Annapurna South. I'm too close, yet too far. Barasikar and the mighty Annapurna 1. Yeah, that's all guys. Thank you for watching. It's as I told you, like, this is just a raw footage. If you want to see it exclusively, you just stay connected with my channel Travelone. I'll try my best to give you the raw footage from the mountain. Thank you so much for watching it. Yeah.